Whoa, wait, wait, here. Hang on. We gotta wait for the guy to say go. We gotta wait for the guy to say go.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Three, two, one, go!
Push it down. Race. There we go.
Fastest lap by Big Daddy.
That's you right there.
Fastest lap by Big Daddy. Iceman received. Go! Tiny Racer away. Iceman received the. Oh! Fastest lap by Big Daddy.
Element, gotta change
Big
lanes before
Daddy
you
did a
get
new
going.
fastest lap.
I guess you probably have more practice with that with the ghost cars and stuff. But
Big Daddy did a new fastest lap.
I don't really do it that way because ghost cars, all you do is spend your whole day chasing them around. He fell off.
let you go. Oh, you got me.
Big Daddy was.
Push it. There you go, look. Oh, Daddy, didn't catch it. Catch it. Oh. Yeah.
Tiny Racer away. Tiny Racer needs to refuel. Iceman is in the back. Big Daddy received. Big Daddy is in the back.
Okay, go. You're down there.
Big Daddy has served the penalty. Iceman has served the penalty.
Didn't fuel.
I was getting
Tiny Racer has no more fuel. Big Daddy has finished refueling. Iceman is in the back. Iceman has finished refueling.
Oh, he's on there.
Gotta go, bud. Go. Hold it down.
Iceman moved. Tiny Racer, you have a V-box issue. Please come to the fix to have it fixed.
Yeah, does he need a pit? Is that what that is? Okay, here. Let me help you pit, bud. We'll try to pass it. Try it again.
Tiny Racer remains.
Okay, bud, you gotta hold this down.
Tiny Racer has finished repair. Tiny Racer has finished refueling.
Okay, bud, here you go.
Tiny Racer has finished changing their tires. Iceman, go! Caution.
Okay, hang on, bud. Right. Come on. Wait.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go ahead. I didn't see ya.
Oh, look at that. I jumped lanes.
Did you? I did that in the first race.
Tiny Racer is there.
Oh,
Iceman received the fun. Iceman is in the
no. Oh, no.
Big Daddy has to refuel.
What'd you do?
I double tapped the button and then
Big Daddy.
It's not on the track.
I can just take his off.
Yeah.
Iceman is in the pits.
Here you go. Okay, come over here real quick. Yeah. Okay, don't touch the track with it. Hold it over here. Keep going.
Tiny Racer, you have an issue with the battery. Please come to the pits to have it fixed. Iceman has served the penalty. Big Daddy is in the pits. Iceman has finished refueling. Big Daddy has served the penalty. Iceman has finished changing their tires.
Stayed in there too long.
Big Daddy has finished refueling. Big Daddy has finished changing their tires. Iceman is in the pits. Iceman has finished refueling.
That fuel, I let go. Or at least I thought I did.
No, don't hit the light.
Iceman has finished changing
You
their
want to get
tires.
glass in your eye, dude. You want to look like a pirate with a big patch? No, but you don't have to wear a big patch on your eye like a pirate.
Big Daddy is in the pits.
Oh, I hate that. The thing I don't understand, it says I'm in the pits, but then it's not letting me do anything.
Big Daddy is in the pits. Big Daddy has finished refueling. Big Daddy has finished changing their tires. One, go!
You know, first time on the
Big
track
Daddy is in the lead.
with the 124 cars, and we got 6 people, dude. You want to talk about overwhelming? I mean, it's trying to figure out how to get in the pit, and then once you're in there, what to
How to
do,
pass people,
how to make it around the corner.
Iceman was
You have all kinds of crashes because he runs around with his finger on the button. So it's like every time he goes by a lane changer, he's changing lanes. And if you're beside him, you know,
Iceman
you're
received
going,
a
remember when we were all learning this? How frustrating it was?
Yeah.
And then, you know, it was just us 3, right? Then it became 4 and 5, and now 6, with maybe a person standing around Marshall in.
Only 2 laps left. Iceman received a
You know,
5
and then the
seconds
fact that
penalty
he
for
doesn't
stopping.
Try
Iceman
to
is in the
try to remember everything. I hate that when you get stuck on a lane changer.
Attention, only 1 lap left. The race winner is Big Daddy.
I was say, what is that just his battery thing?
Engine or something.
Oh, okay. That like, oh, it's probably a car with that light. I thought it was maybe like a battery.
Like the engine.